Hello everyone and welcome back to Post Network Academy. Today we are diving into a core concept of set theory, which is Venn diagrams. Whether you are learning mathematics, data science, machine learning or artificial intelligence, understanding how to visualize sets and their relationship is crucial. So let's explore Venn diagrams and see how they can simplify complex concepts. So Venn diagrams are diagrammatic representation of sets introduced by Euler and later simplified by John Venn. It uses enclosed areas to represent sets in a plane. Applications are simplifies understanding of set operations, useful for illustrating relationship like intersection, union, difference and subsets. Here see that A and B are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets means no common elements. So both circles are separately A and B, both sets you can see that there is no overlapping. Here subset relationship. So A is subset of B. So all elements of A are in B. So circle A is inside B. Intersection of sets. So there are overlapping portion which has come after intersection, and the overlapping elements you can say that 3 and 4. Now difference of sets. So if you subtract B from A, so the red one circle of red one portion of A is A minus B. Now universal set you can see that, and inside two sets. So A union B, that means combine all elements of A and B. Now hope you understood this easy simple concept. For more videos and resources you can visit Post Network Academy website www.postnetwork.co. For a playlist and videos you can visit YouTube channel of Post Network Academy. You can visit Facebook page of Post Network Academy, and you can also connect to LinkedIn page of Post Network Academy. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video.